Now we discuss about the next topic, solubility. Solubility is defined as that in which the maximum amount of solute can be dissolved in 100 gram of solvent at a room temperature to form saturated solution. For example के लिए, if we take an example, sugar or salt, it will be dissolved in 100 gram of the solvent such as water, if in which a maximum amount solute can be dissolved, which is called as an solubility. Solubility and in which it will be formed a saturated solution. Saturated solution is also defined as that in which no more solute can be dissolved at a room temperature. Now we discuss about factors affecting the solubility of a solid in a liquid. So firstly, we discuss about the nature of a solute and a solvent, and second is a temperature. Firstly, if you take an example, a ionic salt or molecular solid which is taken as a solute and a water taken as a solvent. In this beaker, we dissolved a polar solute in polar solvent to make the saturated solution, which is an example of a solubility. And second is if you take an example water taken as solvent in which taken as a sugar as a solute, but both the compare the maximum solubility of maximum solute solute can be dissolved in polar solute in polar solvent as compared to non-polar, as compared to unlike as compared to unlike a solution. Thank you.